Worn-out windshield wiper blades can be a hidden hazard that many drivers overlook until they're causing streaks, noise, and reduced visibility, especially during heavy rain. Studies suggest that compromised wipers can reduce your vision by up to 50%, making driving almost like navigating half-blind in dangerous conditions. Fortunately, you don't have to rush out and replace them immediately. Instead, you can try a simple, cost-free 30-second trick using common household items that not only restores your wipers to near-new condition, but can also extend their lifespan significantly. In today's tutorial, we'll walk you through a 3-step process that involves deep cleaning, degreasing, and conditioning your wiper blades. The materials you'll need are items you likely already have at home: white vinegar, baking soda, rubbing alcohol, and silicone spray. Additionally, you'll require a couple of cleaning cloths. A microfiber cloth or an old rag with some texture works best. Step 1 is all about deep cleaning. Begin by mixing equal parts white vinegar and water in a small bowl. Vinegar is a powerful natural cleaner that breaks down dirt, grease, and the grime that accumulates on your wiper blades over time. Stir the solution well and then dampen a microfiber cloth or an old rag with this mixture. For an added abrasive effect, sprinkle a small amount of baking soda directly onto the cloth. Baking soda acts as a gentle abrasive that helps to remove any stubborn debris and oxidation that may have caused your blades to dry out and start streaking. Next, lift your windshield wipers so that the rubber blades are easily accessible. With the vinegar solution and baking soda on your cloth, firmly wipe along the entire length of each blade. Use a back and forth motion, similar to brushing your teeth, to scrub away all the accumulated residue. You'll notice black particles and dirt coming off the blades. This is the buildup that's been affecting their performance. Continue wiping until the blades look visibly cleaner and smoother. Once satisfied, take a fresh damp cloth with plain water and wipe the blades again to remove any remaining vinegar or baking soda residue. Finally, gently dry the blades with a dry cloth to ensure no streaks remain. Step 2 focuses on degreasing. With rubbing alcohol, even after a thorough cleaning, an invisible layer of grease or oil might remain on the rubber, causing your wipers to skip or leave streaks during use. Rubbing alcohol is excellent for removing this residual buildup while also conditioning the rubber. Pour a small amount of rubbing alcohol onto a clean microfiber cloth or use alcohol wipes if you're on the go. Then, lift the wipers once more and firmly wipe along the rubber edge of each blade, moving back and forth several times. As you do this, you may again notice black residue, the remnants of old dirt and rubber particles. This step not only ensures a streak-free finish, but also helps maintain the flexibility and smooth operation of your wiper blades. Allow the blades to air dry for about 10 seconds as the alcohol evaporates quickly, leaving behind a clean and residue-free surface. Step 3 is all about rejuvenating the rubber with silicone spray. Over time, exposure to heat, cold, and UV rays can cause the rubber on your wiper blades to dry out and crack. A thin layer of silicone spray works as a rubber conditioner, restoring the natural flexibility of the blades and protecting them against future deterioration. Before applying the silicone, make sure your blades are completely dry. It's a good idea to wipe them down with a damp microfiber cloth to ensure that any remaining dirt is removed. If needed, you can use a mixture of rubbing alcohol or your vinegar solution for a deeper clean. Once the blades are spotless and dry, take a clean cloth and lightly spray a small amount of silicone lubricant. Do not spray directly onto the blades, as this could make them too slippery. Instead, transfer the silicone to the cloth and gently rub it along the edge of each blade, applying a thin, even coat. Allow the silicone to sit and absorb into the rubber for about 10 to 15 minutes. After completing these 3 steps, test your wiper performance by spraying your windshield with washer fluid and activating your wipers. You should notice an immediate improvement, a smoother, quieter swipe that clears away rain and debris much more effectively. For maximum clarity, follow up with a high-quality glass cleaner on your windshield. This prevents any residual grease or dirt from redepositing on your freshly cleaned blades, ensuring that your vision remains crystal clear for longer periods. By following this simple, time-saving routine, you not only improve your wiper performance, but also extend their lifespan, ultimately saving you money on replacement costs. It's a maintenance trick that, once learned, you'll likely rely on every time you notice your wipers starting to streak. Plus, this method is eco-friendly and cost-effective, using everyday household items to restore your car's performance, without expensive chemicals or professional services. If you found this information useful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends. We're committed to bringing you more practical tips and tricks that help you maintain your car, drive safely, and save money along the way. Happy driving!